Well, the NEET UG exam, which is a pivotal point of entry for medical students, lakhs of medical students across the country, has now sparked a controversy with various allegations of irregularities and malpractices having been made this year. Several petitions have been filed across the country before different high courts. We are in front of the Delhi High Court where a similar petition was filed. Speaking to Advocate Suriti Chaudhary, who appeared for the petitioner, ma'am, what are the issues that you highlighted in your matter, and what has the High Court said?
There were three issues that have largely come out of the petitions that we have filed, and there are multiple petitions that are pending before different high courts. But the three major issues here, firstly is the issue of the paper leave. Secondly, and more importantly, is the issue of the basis on which compensating marks have been awarded to 1,516 students. And thirdly is the issue of there being a wrong question published in the NTA, which the NTA has admitted, but they have still discriminately awarded compensation in that question to different students. So those three issues are mainly the issues that today came up before the Honorable Delhi High Court.
Ma'am, the NTA has made a big statement saying that they'll seek transfer of all these matters before the Supreme Court now, so the Supreme Court can decide these cases. What's your take on that?
See, multiple high courts are seized of the same matter, and you do want to avoid contradictory orders of different high courts, and therefore a prayer like this cannot be opposed by us. We also understand that this is an issue of national interest. So the petitions going before the Honorable Supreme Court of India, it is a judicious move.
Lastly, ma'am, a Supreme Court had refused to grant any stay on the counselling. High Court is also impressed with the stay, but High Court has not granted any stay either. So what happens now as far as the counselling is concerned?
See, I believe before the Supreme Court yesterday the stay wasn't granted, but now there are multiple petitions that are going to be going before the Supreme Court. Multiple petitioners, lawyers are going to be able to place their different arguments before the Honorable Supreme Court. Today the Delhi High Court was not inclined to grant a stay, considering the fact that all matters are anyway going to the Honorable Supreme Court. So therefore, when the matters do come up there, the question of stay will be re-agitated by us before the Honorable Supreme Court.
Thank you so much for speaking to us, ma'am. With multiple petitions now pending before different courts in the country, will lakhs of these students get any satisfactory relief as they're seeking from the court remains to be seen. From New Delhi, this is Srishti Ojha, India Today.